Tap to activate your display. Now swipe to navigate to alarm. While the display is blinking, set the alarm by swiping vertically or tapping the top or bottom of each digit. When you've set the alarm, remove your finger and wait for a vibration confirming that the alarm has been set. You can set up to 5 alarms. They will be stored chronologically. When the alarm goes off, depending on your mode settings, you will feel a short or long vibration. To dismiss the long vibration, tap the 3 squares. To snooze, just tap the repeat symbol. This will automatically set the timer for 9 minutes. To cancel an alarm, use 2 fingers to pinch the screen.